Hi, this is Amy. Now we are in the LaGuardia airport and our destination is gonna be
Tokyo.
This is gonna be our first time traveling internationally together, so I'm looking forward to it.
Let's enjoy.
一定要去日本先揩到。
1 hour later, finally we are outside.
又幾平下喎呢度。
We missed the train by 1 minute, so we went to the vending machine and brought some coffee. And now we're waiting for our next train to get to our hotel. 嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！
有啲苦苦地。
咩啊？
你覺得好飲啊？你覺得好飲咁真係好飲啊？
你驚我唔飲咖啡㗎嘛？
係咯。
停車駅は空港の東映浅草ライン。until 押上長崎川銀座2号以来普通のアクセス特急三島込駅です次は
We got off from the train and now walking to our exit towards our hotel. And I can't wait to have dinner. We found our hotel. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Back outside.
Massage
Room tour. And a room tour. Let me start with a room tour again. So once you walk in, there's a full body mirror. Hi, hi. Full body mirror. And then hanger. And here is the restroom. Oh. Toilet, bathtub, and sink, and another mirror. Alright, once you come out, this is our bed, TV, desk, and this is gonna be a room for 7 nights. Okay, it's small, but it's clean. We are now in Ginza and making our way to the Conveyor belt Sushi. Hopefully we can get a ticket. It's already 6 p.m. Not sure if they still have ticket or not. Good luck to us. Any more ticket? Oh my god, 180 minutes. There are about 57 groups in front of us, so we're gonna shop in UNIQLO and then come back for dinner for sushi. UNIQLO is right there. Right there. And we're waiting to cross the street.我覺得呢件衫幾爽啊！
你想嗎？
唔係喎，都係粉紅色。
T-shirt。
So fancy that you have to take off your shoes before coming in to try out, and also put this cover before you try any clothing. UNIQLO 接衫，
諗都諗唔到。
都可以用。走吧。我哋有 3P。So many accessories. We are done shopping in UNIQLO and also GU. Now we came downstairs to OK Market for some discount. It is like a discount supermarket. So it smells so good.
喺呢度啊！
你聞到啊？番薯啊！誒，剩低最後一個 ，last one。
我哋有冇 microwave？
I cannot believe we spent 1,000 yen for grape.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. I'm shocked. Well, now let's walk back to the sushi store. And hopefully we don't have to wait too long. As you can see, it's already dark outside. So big. Almost there. Almost. I'm so hungry now. I'm so hungry now. Hungry and tired.
Sit down and eat.
Me too. Still waiting. 3 more. Oh my god, finally!
2名様。どうぞ。2名様ご案内します。
ありがとう。Finally make it 寫 number 就得啦。
You fries.
You're gonna choose your own cup for the tea. I want this one.
可以就攞個杯啊？
係啊，咁水喺你隔離啊。The water is right there, and this is the matcha.
我點個碗豬肉麵吧。
这样啊？很好。
點知道邊個係我哋啊？
佢會俾㗎，我哋㗎。
310のわさび。ヨマさん31番さんのタコ頭甘だれです。
いただきます。どうよ。
我感受到佢哋講嘅日口即係咩意思喎？紐約未試過日口即係。
ありがとう。
都歡迎㗎。Normal tuna。
呢個都已經好好味啦。Let's try the eel。
點解可以咁唔同嘅？
係啊，可以。
點解同紐約嗰啲可以咁唔同嘅？
佢化咗啊！
係咯。
You felt it。3 hours of waiting is worth it.
Oh.
Totally worth it. The eel is so good. Squid 啊！
都好遠喎，同我想象中嘅 squid 唔一樣。
好焦感。
即係而且個膠感好似多啲。
Let's try it.
Hello。
真係湯落好嘅。你覺得？呢個甜蝦。你覺得？係 sweet shrimp。
可以話 sweet shrimp 好似對我嚟講一般。
好似都係好焦嘅。
係啊。呢個咩嚟？
焦啊！Let's try the scallop. That's like double. That's like 2.
ああ、名前。
Cheers.
嗯。好高啊！
Highly recommend the scallop and also tuna, any kinds of tuna. Chutolo salmon. Ooh, last 2 pieces. Let's dig into our last 2 pieces. Start with salmon and then chutolo. Salmon, because he said that he wanna try how is the difference between the salmon here compared to New York. Yeah, is that?
楽しみだ。邊好咯，好唔好 ？Much better。
甜啊！
甜啊真係。
It tastes sweet.
哇！
Last one.
唔好喊啊
Last one.
！Cheers。
Cheers.
Satisfying. Good night.
Fully satisfied. Cheers.
亲。
This is a price 6,160 yen for all of it. We are done having sushi from this store. It was delicious. Highly recommended, but it's just a long queue to be honest. But if you get a ticket just like us and then shop around the area, it will be fine. Eat something before you come here. Otherwise, it's gonna be really hungry.
Promise you, totally good. A-OK.
We are now gonna make our way back to the hotel. Before we head to the hotel, we will stop by convenience store, and that will be in a different video where I put everything that I eat in convenience store in one video. So subscribe to my channel for that. And now let's make our way back to the hotel and call it a day. And also back to the hotel, we will try out the grape that we just brought because that is pretty expensive. It's almost like
$10.
almost $10. Yeah. I just took a shower and we washed the grape. Let's try one. I like
$10. It's about like 50 cents each.
Let's try chip.
Wow. 好多水喎。So juicy.
It's very juicy.
It's all juice in there.
The one that we bought is like the cheapest in the store. It's already like 900 something yen. With tax it's 1,000 something. But the other one that's like 12,000, 22,000. So it really depends on you which one to get. But this one is already very juicy and very sweet. Alright, that's it for arrival day in Japan and also half of the day one of Japan. Thank you all for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye! In the next video, we are going to Akabu.
Huh?
The next video, we are going to and tomorrow we are going to
Akihabara.
and
UNIQLO.
and also Shinjuku. So
Shinjuku.
see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.